So the first thing you will need when making your bacon is a fresh pork belly. This is a pork belly. This is a whole belly. They're quite large. This is from a pig that I raised in my backyard. You're going to want to try to get a belly that has the skin intact. This is the pig skin, and when it is properly harvested and scalded and scraped, the pigmented layer of skin is removed along with all the hairs, leaving this delicious layer of pork rind on the bacon. And the skin serves a couple purposes. It actually acts as a significant barrier to the salt, which is an aid in preventing you from over-salting. And it also, at the end of the curing process, and even after it's hung for a while, you will have bacon rind left over, which is a great addition to any pot of dried beans that you may be cooking, any stews, any braises, anything that you're cooking in liquid. It will just imbue with wonderful, rich, salty flavor.